Hi, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs. Ooh, guys, I'm so excited to show you the new Play-Doh Mysteries featuring Frozen 2. There are 8 surprises inside of this octagonal shaped boxes. Let's open up this portion first. I already see one figure. See Queen Elsa. I'm gonna be really extra careful when I open it. Okay, so we have Queen Elsa. Let's remove the top. This is the first surprise. And we have, ooh, what is this? It looks like a funny shaped item. And another, oh my gosh, we have Olaf, and it's a mold for Olaf. This is like a Play-Doh putty knife, and we have an Olaf mold. Let's take this part off. Sweet, we have another surprise. Awesome, we have a Princess Anna cookie cutter. Another surprise. This is so much fun. This really takes Play-Doh next level, guys. Hasbro has been kicking it up. We have our Knock, which is like our horse. Whoa. And we have another mold here. This is a really fun way of opening this. We don't just like have that like typical Play-Doh box. Oh my gosh. So we have some vines here. Let's just open it up. Another blind bag with, oh my gosh, is this marshmallow? Oh no, it's like one of those stone guys. I forgot the name. Okay, this is for me for part 2. Ooh, and then we have our chameleon. Super cool. And here is our one figure. Now I'm not sure if they're coming out with more than one of these, but here is our figure of Queen Elsa, and on the bottom we have a snowflake. Really cool. Okay, so let's take this out. This is a snow globe kit. Where there's Sven, there is some fleur-de-lis over here, beautiful snowflake. We have some trees. We have another leaf over here and a gigantic snowflake. Oh my goodness, so awesome. There's even more molds. This looks like a tree stump. We have like more of these like designs over here in the diamonds, some more like ice crystals, leaves, mountains. So awesome. And we even have like a presser with like little tiny, oh my gosh, we're gonna make like little tiny Play-Doh confetti, snowflakes, and some other elements that we could put inside of our snow globe. Hi, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs. Put Olaf up there. Let's make a mold of Princess Anna Knock, the horse. I think I'm saying that right. Hope I am. Not too bad. It looks a little craggly. I think that's the whole idea. Now let's make some of these pretty vines. Let's build our scene. Elsa is going to add in some magical glitter. Go ahead, Elsa. Ooh. Okay, let's start building our base. But Elsa has added some magical glitter in all of it, so that's a really nice touch. Let's make a base for Elsa to stand on. And what's going to be cool is that we're going to turn this part over so we can make this part stand out. This beautiful snowflake to get left behind. So pretty. And now we can have Elsa. We have all of these other ones too, but I'm not even going to do that right now. We're going to just do whatever we have out. And we are going to start building our snow globe. Perfect. So cool. Wow, and now we have one more finishing touch. We're going to add the snow effect by using this. I put our magical white Play-Doh inside, and now we're going to have the magic happen, but I'm going to do it with the lights off. One last finishing touch. We need Princess Anna. Let me know what you think of this amazing new type of Play-Doh set in the comments below. I think this would be a great gift. I think the set is a great deal. Make sure you get it on Amazon. You save a couple of bucks right there, but you can buy it at Target and Walmart as well. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Give us a double tap if you're watching IGTV. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.